Hello, welcome to another edition of modeling a house in 3ds Max tutorial. Now I want to work on the stairs. Height selection, yes, this portion. I don't select it. So I want to work on this. I want to give it tiles. So ordinarily, I don't know, in one of the videos I tried applying the tiles to everything, but I just didn't like what I saw. It didn't work properly. So now some people would use UVW mapping. I'll be honest, I'm not so good with that. So what I want to do is I want to recreate a texture, sorry, planes, and then place them on it one after the other. So F, I've just drawn a box. I'm moving this box to the top. Before that, let me unhide all. I want to be sure that the stairs, I have everything on lockdown. Okay, alright, this one, sorry, Ctrl Z, this should end, I just want to be sure that I got that correctly. Okay, and let's take this and this, hide unselected. So F R. So this plane is too tall. Sorry, the stairs. It simply means that I'm not done with the stairs. That's the vibe I'm getting. But to be sure, let me start over. Height selection. This is the ceiling for the top floor. Height selection. This is supposed to be, yes, this is the ground floor. This is the tiles for the first floor. Tiles first floor, which is top floor, I mean. So, but right now it's not, yes, it's where it should be, but the stairs aren't where they should be. So when I take this, and I hide on selected, I think I should delete this for good. So let's go to R. What this means is that this is not there yet, so I have to draw another box here. The length should be, the width should be 1. Then top view, bring it here. I'll copy this. Oh, okay. I can't copy again, so I just take this way. What I noticed now is that I didn't finish the stairs. So I take this, right click, editable poly, vertices, these vertices. I drag them out this way. So right view, then take these vertices, bring them down. So the height difference, I think it is 0.75. It's 9 inches. Now most stairs, they are 7 inches, 8 inches, but this is 9 inches. We have a small space to work with, so I had to make it 9 inches. So now it means that this will go up. Good. Then we take this, put it up here, and then we duplicate this. Okay. and again this will go up here. Then we take this, and this will be the last one. Make sure it touches, yes. Then this goes up. Unfortunately, the last step is not up to 9 inches, but it's forgivable. If this were not a tutorial, I would try to find out what went wrong, but I'm just gonna keep this as simple as possible. Okay. This should also touch this. Yes, that's how it should be. So now I'm going to attach all this. I'm taking this editable poly, attach to this, to this, to this. So these are the stairs. You can see these are the stairs. Let's go to the right view. Vertices, bring those down. So these are all the stairs in the house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, blah blah blah. So now we can hide this, hide selection. We're going to draw, I can call it, let's call it a plane. Let's use a plane. The only reason why I always have problem with a plane is the positioning. Yeah, it's just so slim that I can't really tell that there's something there. That's why I prefer to work with a box. I prefer box. I just make the height of the box quite slim. So this is like 3.6 by 1 foot. Alrighty, so 2/3. This is 3.66. Alrighty, so let's take this up there. It's down here. I bring it up here. Oh, sorry. There it is. I'm just going to add. I don't want it to be too much. Just imagine I'm about to tile. Good. I'm about to tile the stairs. So the size is 1 foot. I mean CorelDRAW now, you can use Photoshop for this. And the width is 3.66. Alrighty, so now this, let me ungroup this. Take one of it, Control V, power clip inside here. So this is just one tile, right? This is one tile. Good. So I'm going to use this as the top tile. So you're going to see in a moment what I'm saying. Sorry. With Control E, I call this stairs. You know, you have the rise and the run. So let's call it stairs run. Okay. Then inside again, let's move all of this up a little. Like this. And then we export this again and we call it stair rise. You're going to see what we're doing. So top view, let's come here. Let's delete this and call this stair run. Corona physical material. bitmaps, library, documents, stair, run, applied here, then upwards, roughness, because we need it a bit glossy, let's say 0.3, no, it's too shiny, 0.4. Good. Now we go to the back view, to the right view. There it is, you can see it. So now I'm just going to take this and duplicate it. I'll place it here again. You can see this should have been closer. Let me see if I can still work on it. Let's go to wheel this not here. Copy the Y values, Control A, Control C, and come down here. Control A, Control V. Yes. So I'll take this. This is the first tile. You can see I'm laying it like this. I come here, I have another one here already. I lay it like this. I duplicate it. Another one here. I lay it like this. You can use the right view or the left view. Duplicate again. Duplicate. Zoom in. Duplicate. Zoom in. Duplicate. Zoom in. Duplicate. Zoom in. Then where are we? So there they are, everything you can see. Just for the run, not the riser. So let's go back to the right view. We're about to do one that's a bit technical. Duplicate. Zoom in. It's at the height it should be. So now I go this way. Okay, then I right click, editable poly, and that's what I'm about to do. Now I have to move this inwards. Yes. I'm guessing this has to go in. Yeah, kind of. That's number one. This will be here. Then I duplicate this again. I'm going to move this way. I'm going to move this like this and this like this. Now I go to the right view and then I have to bring this down. It's coming down. Yes. So I take another one, duplicate this way. Vertex. Let's rotate 90 degrees. 90. Oh, undo. Let's rotate everything 90 degrees. No, minus 90. Take this to the point here. Then I move this two. I bring them in this way. Bring them in this way. Take this like this. Take them in a little. Then take this one. As you can see, right now we are still working on the rise, not the run. Yeah, it's going to stop somewhere here. Then I duplicate. Let me move the locus. Yes. Then oh, sorry. I have to bring this down. Yeah, before I forget. This is the front view. Now I bring it down here. Yes. F. I think it has come down too much. Maybe it's here. F. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So another one. Take this way. You can see. Bring this out a little. Let's have it stop there. This will go in, and this will go up. And you press F. You bring it down a notch, just by one step. So top view. So we take the straight ones now. This one. Let's duplicate it. Let's say 90 degrees. Rotate 90. Alrighty. Then move this way. Move this way. So we have just three. What do we call them? Runs left. After this, we're going to do the risers. Stick it in like this. Okay, it's longer. By doing this, I'm affecting the size of tile, but it's forgivable. Ordinarily, I'm supposed to create a new tile for it because the dimensions are quite different, but it won't be visible to the eyes. The designer would know, but the owner of the project you're designing wouldn't know what I just did, and you can see they'll still align. So this should be the last run. Let's move this a little. Yes, touch this way, then X. Yes, this will go down, then the X value will go this way. I'm just cleaning everything up. The X value will go this way, and this will go up a little. So let's see what we've done so far. Can we render? Let's see. So these are the tiles, but the runs are not there yet, just the rise. Sorry, these are the runs. So the risers, the rise isn't there yet. So let's work on the risers. So we're going to take this one, duplicate it. Okay, let's hit the right view. Go to where it is. There it is. Then rotate 90 degrees. Yes, that way. Okay, this is 0.75. Alright, so let's do this. Let's change this to 0.75. That's the height. We have just changed the height. And now we're going to change this one to 0.75. Good. And export it. Stairs rise. So we come here. We will delete this. And then we call this stairs rise. And select material, bitmap. Stairs rise, open. Drop the roughness to 0.4. And we're going to apply it to selection. Good. So we press the F view. There is the material. Let's bring it down. Then R. F. Let me rotate it 180 degrees. No. I'm shocked it looks what's the word? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I didn't click that. Alright. So that's the rise. You have to move it out. Yes. To be sure that when it's rendering, it will render properly. This is the last one. That's why this is going into. The rest are 0.75 feet tall. So now you select this, you put it here, you duplicate again, see, duplicate again, duplicate, shift and drag. Another person may find UVW map easier. I'm not in tune with it, I'm going to be honest, so I'm just going to stick to this. Since the stairs is made up of very simple geometry, this works fine for me. Then this is another one. I have to press F to be sure I know where this should be, or Ctrl Z. Let's use the camera now. Sorry. Okay, I think something is wrong here. I'm going to have to bring the stairs down. If I can. I hope it's not too late. But this is where I stopped. This one. So now I have to take this. Take this. Take this. Oh, now I've attached everything. Okay, let me take this. Will I be able to do that? Right. Vertex. I need all of this. I need. It's gonna be hard selecting, but I made a mistake. And let me see if I do elements. Okay, top view, camera view, element. Yes, this, 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 and this, and I press the F button. Now let's do the R. Yes, then I can detach. Okay. Then select this and bring them down. Okay, I've detached. Before I just bring them down, let me go to the camera view, select them, select this, 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 and group. So when I bring them down, yes, that's where that should be. So I take this one now, and let's select camera view. Okay, so top view, I'm going to duplicate it. No, I don't have to move it. Edit, clone, copy. Okay, then right click, editable poly, then vertices, bring in the vertices here. Okay, then the right view, I have to bring it down. I have to go to the camera view to be sure I got it. Yes, I think I did. Yes. Then I take this again, top view, edit, clone, copy. Okay, then I go to this, I bring it down like this. Yes, then I go to the right view, then I bring it down by 9 inches. Yes, you can't really see much here. If you were the camera view, you would see, you can see. Then I do the same thing again, top view, edit, clone. Okay, then I go to vertices, the vertices at this corner, I take them this way. Then I go to the front view, I bring it down by 9 inches again. I think we're still on point. Yes, there it is. So I think we're done with the diagonal. So now I take this top view, take it this way, I cloned it, rotate 90 degrees, then bring it here. Move the X, F view, bring it down till we get somewhere here. It can be so hard to see, but it's there. So when you press the L view, there it is. Editable poly, bring the vertices in, yes. And so I duplicate again, okay. Then I press the front view and I move that which I've just duplicated forward. You can see. I bring it down, yes. Then duplicate. down. Then I think I'm going to have to take this up. I think it's too tall. This last stairs. Let's ungroup. Let's move this upwards. There's a tile on this. So let's move this upwards. Yes. Okay. Then no, not that. Select this. The vertex. Vertex is up there. Okay, so on hide all, and let's see what we have. Are we there? No, I can't see with this camera. Trying to see if I have a camera that's inside already. I don't think I do. This is inside, but yeah, we're somewhere here. I don't know if we can rotate to get it. No. Now I have to draw another camera. Right here. Press the C button. Yes, those are the stairs. And this one, and this one, hide unselected, top view. This, so the vertex. On hide all, C, last camera. Yes, I think we're good. Yes. So these are the stairs. We have tiled the stairs. Now, another thing I want to do, I want to add illumination. Not necessarily on the stair, some people have something here. I don't want that. I just want them on the wall. So I'm going to select this wall. And, okay, let me go to an outside camera. Select that wall, select this wall, then top view. I have to be able to select the stairs. How do I do that? Okay, see, camera 8. Can I select the stairs? This is gonna be hard. Okay, let's work with this then. Hide unselected, then go to the back view. Now I want to create lights, corona light. Yeah. Top view. Sorry, looking for the light, can't see it. Okay. I created corona cam instead of lights. So back view, hide selection, hide selection, hide selection. Will this take me there? So this, everything is just too many elements. Too many. Let's go to the last camera. on idle, idle selected, back view. Will this work? Okay, let's select the clay mode. Okay, create corona lights. Corona light. Oh, it's a disk. No. F. Let's create corona light. Change it to rectangle. Let's give it 6 feet. Let's say 6 feet. 6. And the width reduced. Oh, this one. Control A, 6 feet. And the width, let's reduce it. Yes, just want the very tiny strip. And where are we? Is this the back view? Top view. Let's let it go in. Back view. And let's have it somewhere here. Then left view. Let's bring it like this. Let's be sure we know where the rays are going to. Okay, yeah, just the way we need them to be. The light is going this way. I'm sorry if you can't see it. I mean, it's light, you're not supposed to. It's not in a case or anything. So, let's see the camera, yes. So, on idle, and then I move one this way. Okay, then I move upwards. I move another this way. Cancel. I hope I'm not missing things. Yes. And then yes. Just have to select this. It's kind of hard to select light, you know. Yes. Because it's almost invisible. No. Back view. Let me see if I can get something done like this. I can't see. Is this a light? Top view. Yes. Okay, you know what? Let's come here on idle so you can see what I'm trying to do. Now the camera is messed up. Yes. Shift and Q. Let's see. Trying to create, rays of illumination upward the stairs. The problem is that there's too many elements, so I have to hide so many things to do a great job, and it's going to take a while. If this were not a tutorial, I would take my time. I would so, but now I have to make sure you see what I'm doing. That's what makes it really hard to achieve. Really hard. I don't even know if I think they're white. They're here, but they should be yellow. I don't think I remember changing the colors of the light. Okay, let's see if I can drop this -5. Yeah, it's supposed to be something like this, but it's not as pretty as I would want it to be -3. Yes, and then it goes up. So let me see if I can clean it up. I think the lights are too thin. Item selected, forward view. This should be yellow. This should be yellow. And this should be yellow. On hide all, camera 8. This, this, this. Hide on selected top view. This is one light here. Where's the other? Yes. There they are. So on hide all, camera 8. Let's see if we'll get something nicer. See, -1.5. You know what? Let me render in 720p. Render setup. Change it to 720p. Maybe we'll get something faster. See what it looks like. Interior rendering takes a lot of time because there's so much noise and the computer is busy calculating. So this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm guessing these breaks are there because it's 720p. Okay, it's coming back. Okay. Yes. So it's just meant to be to go this way and illuminate the stairs. It's no biggie. But the challenge I am having now is I think I'm going to draw the light panel out separately and turn it into a box, and then I'll start bringing it in. That way I can see clearly what I'm doing. But that's the idea, and it's meant to go up the stairs. So let's cancel this. I'm sorry the tutorial is taking so long a time. I'm just trying to do a good job. So let's delete this. Yes. Hide unselected. So back view, just this. I'm going to increase the width. Yes. Something like that. Let's make it, yeah, 6 feet. 6 feet is okay. Then let's come to box. Let's draw a box. So 0.01. A table pulley. Bring it down. So now this forward. Sorry. This will be in front of the light, and it will be like glass. Back view. Control A, Control C. A, Control V. Alright. So now I'm going to bring this here, top view. So this is like a glass panel in front of the light. I'm going to give it a glass. Yes, use the same glass. I'm going to apply the material. Right. And let's create a white panel here. Top view. Front view now. Top view. Oh, can't get anything with camera. So let's attach editable poly, attach this to this, then go to the bottom view. Then attach. Should be one more. Let's do the left view. Okay, this is coming down like this. Take this, attach to this. So then we group all of this. Let's just take this alone. Let's be sure that we've applied this material. Then we take this and take this. Let's be sure this is the light. Back view. And selection. Okay. Control Z, Control Z. stair, strip light. To be sure we group both, let's delete, yes, both go. On idle, camera 8. So this is on. So let me hide this, hide selection, let me select this, select this, hide unselected, back view. Then I take this light like this, then I start from here. Yes, so it's easier to pick now. Sorry, shift big pick and say one more. Okay, then top view, let me be sure they're where they should be. Yeah, that they should be. So there should be another one here. Okay, back view. No. Now this is going up by 9 inches. Yes, something like that. Another one will be here. Back view again. This will also go up by 9 inches again. Then top view. Another one will be here. You're going to rotate this 90 degrees. You can see where the lights are facing, they're pointing outwards. Then press the F button, so L button. Let's see, it's going up by 90 degrees. Top view. Then another one will be here. Then this will also go up by 9 inches. Can't really see the 9 inches here, so let me try the front view. Oh no, let's do back. Okay, and that should be the last one. So let's see what we have so far on hide all. Now this camera 8, I have to go and look for it. I need to increase the field of view. Hide selection, this should be it. Select here, this is camera 8. Let's make this 70 and let's press C. There, that's camera 8's field of view. So let's see what we've done. Phew. My system is slow, I apologize. It's an i7 HP Omen 15 i7 60 gig RAM, so it takes a longer time. The illumination needs to come down. The lights are too bright for the staircase. They're not emitting like I would like. Let me see. Could it be because I'm rendering in 720p? Okay, let's see what pass 2 would look like. Second pass. This is, yes, let's see what the second pass would look like. So in this video we worked on tiling the stairs, and now we're trying to light the stairs, to put strip lights along the stairs. And I tried to create a box for the strip lights, and I gave it a somewhat transparent material, the box I mean, so that the lights could shine through it. But I'm not seeing the light shine through it. So, and I'm assuming it's not supposed to be yellow like this. It's supposed to be illuminated. So let's stop this. Let's save this. Let's check from hop. You can see this is what we're trying to achieve. Let's render in 4K. It's just going to take time, but let's be okay. Could it be that they are embedded in the walls? I don't think so. If they were, the yellow would not show. Render the setup. Once we get this, I'm going to end the tutorial just for you to understand what I'm trying to achieve. Some people would have an X-shaped strip lights around their stairs. Alright, some people would have triangular strip lights around their stairs. I'm just trying to create a nice illumination around the stairs. That's all. I don't want to render in 720p, so this is going to take time. I'm guessing the 720p thing may affect the production of the render. So, I mean, when we were doing it before, we got something way better than what we're getting now. This yellow shouldn't be just yellow, it should be illuminated. It should pop up. It's almost as if what I put in front of it has killed the illumination. I could ungroup each of them and then delete and re-render. I think I'm going to try that. Yes. Let me just stop it and take them one after the other. This group, group, this, this, group on group. So let me take this and delete this, delete this, delete. And let's save and hit render again. Are we getting illumination? It's hard to tell right now. The ceilings are white, the tiles are white, the LED lights in the house are warm white, so that's why we appears white. So I give this a distinctive yellow. I want to see what it looks like, but it's showing as just yellow. This is what I'm guessing. The render just, I think there's a problem with computing the values in the render process. Maybe if I give it time, it could work. But if you got the gist of the tutorial, so that I don't take your time, I'm so sorry it didn't turn out the way I expected. But if you get the gist of the tutorial, the idea is how to tile your stairs and how to illuminate your stairs with strip lights. That's just what I'm doing. I did this in one of the previous videos. I added this strip lights into the ceiling and they worked like they should. So I don't know why this is happening. I truly don't. It's appearing as plain yellow and it should not show as plain yellow. It's meant to, although this is still the initial pass, it's meant to glow. I'm not seeing the glow, and that worries me. But I'm just going to end the tutorial here. If you're good with creating lights, then you obviously would understand what I'm trying to achieve. Thank you so much for watching.